It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. You feel like my fantasy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joy here again with yet another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by divatrust.com. So today we're going to be reviewing this beautiful unit, and this unit is from Main Concept. So let's get started. So first of all, guys, I already showed you guys how I put this wig on. So now we're going to talk about the specs and what I think about this wig. So this wig is from the Red Carpet Premiere Lace Front Wig Collection, and the color that I'm wearing is red black. Her name is Kaia. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but her name is Kaia, and this is the name right here, just in case. I can't really pronounce the name, but I will be putting the name on the title, of course. So Kaia is, the whole name of Kaia is RCP 7013 Kaia, and she is a Futura fiber wig, and she does have like this kind of cankalon texture to her. She is heat resistant. It doesn't really say how much heat resistant it takes, but she is heat resistant. She is a lace front wig, like I said. I just didn't show you guys when I cut the lace off because I had already cut the lace off prior to this video. If you do want to see her in different colors, she does come in different colors as well. So as you can see, she comes in brown, she comes in the color that I'm wearing, platinum blonde, and other colors as well. The comfort level on the cap is pretty nice. I'm not really getting any itchiness. The lace is pretty soft as well. So you do want to be careful when you are plucking, because it would be easy for you to pluck a hole through the lace, so just keep that in mind. But it is pretty soft, it's not itchy or anything like that. She is big head and small head friendly. I feel like I have a small head and I didn't really have to adjust the straps too much, but I did have to adjust the straps a little bit because she wouldn't be as snugged on as she is right now. Plus I'm wearing 2 wig caps under this, so it's just so that it'll fill it up a little bit more, but that's just the technique that I've been getting into doing. She doesn't really bring any baby hairs, but you can create baby hairs on her. I chose not to. I just didn't feel like doing it with this wig, but I did pluck the front hairline right here a little bit just to make it look a little bit more realistic. But that is about it. Now let's get into what I think about this wig. So first of all, guys, I do love this wig. The only thing that I experienced with this wig that was a little bit difficult was just the texture, just a little bit, and it wasn't even that serious, but towards the end you do get a little bit of tangling, and it's just because of the curl pattern and stuff. So you do get a little bit of tangling at the ends, but it's really not that serious. You do get some shedding as well because of the texture, because of the cankalon texture. So do keep that in mind, that if you do get this wig, you are going to experience some shedding. Other than that, I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. I do love the color of the wig. The wig is actually, I'm going to show you guys right now because I didn't show you guys in the beginning of the video, but this wig actually comes up to about 30 inches on me. I want to say 28 to 30 inches. She comes almost up to about a little bit past my belly button. And then guys, in the back, This is just so you guys can see. Also the back of the wig as well. I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but this is what it looks like. If you are like myself where I don't like extra long hair, you can cut her, which is exactly what I'm gonna do because I don't like super duper long hair, being that I'm so short. I don't like feeling like too extra or anything, so I would say I'm gonna go ahead and cut this I'm gonna cut it almost 20 inches because I feel like that would be the perfect length for me, but you know, you guys can cut it however you want. But other than that, I think she's gorgeous. I definitely think she's slay on a budget worthy. I think that you guys should definitely get your hands on this wig. Shout outs to Diva Trust for sending me this wig to review for you guys, and make sure that you guys check me out on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. And make sure that you also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I will see you guys soon. Bye.